One of the big consumers of recycled copper is the plumbing industry. Plumbers frequently choose to install copper pipe because it's naturally corrosion resistant. It frequently outlasts the building in which it's installed. Forming the copper pipe, or tube as it's referred to in the industry, is a fairly straightforward process.
Everyone picks up a tube of toothpaste in the morning, squeezes that tube of toothpaste, and it comes out the tube. Making copper tube is the same thing. We take a billet of copper or a slug of copper, we put it through an extrusion press, which is the toothpaste tube. We squeeze it under very high pressure, and copper tube comes out the end. But the only difference is that we use a mandrel or some method to make sure that there's an opening or a hole in the center of the copper tube.
Modern plumbers weren't the first to notice copper's plumbing potential.
The Egyptians produced some of the earliest copper plumbing. What they probably didn't realize is that in addition to having a material that they could form into plumbing pipes, they were actually purifying their water at the same time, and that the antimicrobial properties of the copper were killing bacteria and contaminants within the water.
Today, copper's antimicrobial properties have compelled medical experts to study the metal's potential.
We understand that through research, ongoing research, that it has the ability to kill certain pathogens. In a situation where it was with copper, you would see over a very short period of time that the copper would not allow the bioload or that product to grow. It would actually bring it to an end.
In the near future, copper may be showing up in hospitals on doorknobs and handrails to stop the spread of bacteria, such as Staphylococcus and E. coli. Copper isn't just used to build practical items. It's also used to create everything from the biggest bells to national icons.